2022 is finally here, and Samsung has started the year with their new Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. It's the second generation of the Samsung Fan Edition, which is potentially coming with the flagship level specs with the minor compromises. The phone that carefully straddling in the line between the mid-range and those premium level flagship with a starting price of $700 for the base model. This price is mostly similar to what the initial retail pricing for the S20 FE was. So Samsung is keeping its Fan Edition pricing policy in check. Yet with approaching arrival of the Galaxy S22 series, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will have a little time under the spotlight and might not enjoy the same warm reception as its predecessor. Moreover, the competition from Samsung itself in the form of the top-tier Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, along with the A series and some other brands like the Google Pixel 6, are going to be giving the tough competition to the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. The Google Pixel 6 is right now at $599, which is even cheaper than the S21 FE and comes with great specification in terms of photography as compared to the Galaxy S21 FEs. Apart from pricing, the Galaxy S21 FE is going to be coming with the same design as the S21 and the S21 Plus. It's going to be having a settled design in which all the back model is coming with the same color along with the camera bump. And talking about the camera bump, well, it's not going to be sliding down towards the metal frame. Rather than that, it's going to be present on the back side. And the back camera sensor are coming with 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel of telephoto camera with a 3x of optical zoom. So I think that this is going to be an average type of a camera sensor, but good enough to give you a better quality of images. And the other best thing about the Galaxy S21 FE that is going to be coming with a 6.4 inch of AMOLED display with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front, and it's coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate alongside with an in-display fingerprint scanner. But the compromises here on the front is that it's not going to be a top tier panel on the front side, and the front panel is coming with an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, which is not going to be as fast as the ultrasonic which we have seen in the S21 and S21 Plus. And under the hood we are going to see last year Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset inside rather than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the latest one right now. In order to cut down the price, Samsung is utilizing the Snapdragon 888 processor inside. It doesn't mean that this processor is not good. It's still a flagship grade chipset with excellent performance and efficiency, that also taking the Galaxy S21 series itself. Paired with that, we are also going to see the Exynos 2100 variant in some Asian markets alongside with the Snapdragon 888 processor for the S21 FE. Battery wise, we get a 4500 mAh battery with a fast wireless charging, and also it's going to support a 25 watt of wide charging. But you should know that there is no charger included in the box of the phone, and you have to buy the charger separately, and that's yet another area in which the S21 FE approaches a flagship territory. So guys, all in all, I think that Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition was one of the best device if that was launched at the month of August, because at that time it was one of the most anticipated device that most people were waiting for. Anyway guys, these are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.